Today on Pat's Car Garage, a short video on replacing the fan clutch on a M113 V8 in a W208 CLK 430. This procedure should also be the same for the M112 V6, but basically, once you know how to do it, it only takes 10 minutes. It's very easy, and I'll tell you exactly what made it hard for me so that you don't repeat the same mistake. So two things to remove. Just remove the top engine cover. Very easy. It just clips in. So you just lift it up on the front, on the corners, there and there. And the whole thing just comes off. This gets you a little bit more room over here. Pull the dipstick out because you're going to wrench through here. So without the dipstick in the way, there's a little bit more room. And now, important. So this is already the new fan clutch that's installed. It is not reverse thread. It is regular thread, so this is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, unlike a lot of Mercedes of this vintage that are reverse-threaded. This one is not. I just installed this by spinning it clockwise, and I removed it by spinning it counterclockwise, as any other bolt. So once you know that it's not a reverse thread, it's super easy. Comes right out.